got one more song for us. Is that right?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, sure. 30 more songs if you know.
We always play this song when we're here because I started writing it here. So, it's a song called Your House.
Let's go.
Rid of me, your paper world is hanging from my paper string. I didn't tell you, so you can't blame me. So strike that match, see what you see. Sail away, be gone. Sail away, be gone. Rid of me, sail away. Now, first thing you do is you want some shoes. Don't worry about the man, cause he takes them too. Now tell your people how you feel inside. Don't sugarcoat it, mama, cause it tastes just fine. Sail away, be gone. Rid of me, your paper world is burning and it can't be free. I didn't tell you, so you can't blame me. So strike that match, see what you see. Sail away, be gone. Sail away, be gone. Rid of me, sail away. Another thing before you go and forget about me, the things I know. It matters less the less you know. So tie that rope and let your boots sway low. Sail away, be gone. Rid of me, your paper world is hanging from my paper string. Now you complain about everything, so strike that match, see what you see. Sail away, be gone. Rid of me, your paper world is burning and your chips ain't free. I didn't tell you, so you can't blame me. So strike that match, see what you see. Sail away, be gone. Sail away, be gone. Rid of me, sail away.
Freaking out, man.
Thanks for having us up, Goldie.
That should do it. Then thanks for coming up, Nick. Thanks for coming up, Eric. And to our 2-card players, I would like to ask right now, who ended up winning? Yeah, that's $5 to me. I had $5 on Mike. That was me. All right. Yeah, Mike, way to go, bro. All right. Anyway, ladies and gents, thanks for being here tonight. My name's Goldie, live at the BeeHive. You have the HuCKLE in the house tonight, and that's going to do it. We are out.